Maybe your retirement isn't looking the way you'd hoped, yet the online world could just offer you a better path. And in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you why, and why people at our stage of life are ideally placed to capitalize on the digital revolution. You see, the corporate world may not value your experience, but the internet does. Your life experience really is worth something online. Well, I'm standing here in the shadow of the London cable car over the River Thames. It was built for the London 2012 Olympics. I was an engineer on that project, and I'm really proud of my involvement. And yet, sad thing is, my career hasn't provided for my retirement. You see, a few years ago, I became painfully aware that my retirement provision would fall far short of where it needed to be. Traditional financial systems have let so many of us down. And for the best part of 10 years, I just buried my head in the sand, hoping that somehow things would improve. But of course, if you don't do anything different, you won't see a different result. In reality, they got worse. And I honestly believed I'd missed the boat when it came to saving enough to retire. And I guess I was right. And my only option was to carry on working. Finally, I kicked myself into action and I started looking. I wasn't particularly looking for an online solution. Anything would do. But when I stumbled across this really well-structured 3-step plan that taught me how to prepare, launch, and then grow an online business, I thought, yes, this is for me. I could actually do it. I love the training. And the latest version that's only just been released is now backed up with the very latest interactive AI support tools, as well as real people. So you do get the best of both worlds. Now, I think this is likely very different from anything that you've seen before. So if you click the button below, I'll send you all the details. As I began my online journey, I had one of my biggest wake-up moments. And it was a simple idea. If you could learn to sell one thing online, why not many? And that's the key to growing and multiplying a successful online business. Totally different from what I was used to in my traditional business. If I wanted more income, just for living or saving for my retirement, my only option was to give away more of my precious time, which of course is counterproductive. And yet now I was learning how to set up a system of selling once, then enjoy the fruits, which can lead to greater time flexibility. Remember, the internet never sleeps. It's truly global. I can go to sleep at night and a sale could drop in from Australia or New Zealand or anywhere. I absolutely love it. For me, it's meant more time for my grandchildren, for travel, both charity and pleasure. My wife and I have just come back from another brilliant trip to India. Now, what about you? I'd love to show you the ropes, and you could see for yourself if it's something that you might benefit from too. So if you click the button below, I'll send you some free videos that'll introduce you to the whole concept. If you like what you see, great, we can talk some more. If not, well, there's nothing lost, and I genuinely wish you well. However, if you do respond by clicking that button below, I look forward to connecting with you very soon.